Right, cleaning the machine, press this information button here. Go with your menu, press the manual cleaning, press start for display cleaning. When that's complete, we'll get a tick. We've got a tick, haven't we? So open the door now. Clean around this area. Some loose kitchen now, skip away. Close the door. Okay, open the door now. Put your tablet in here, which is the size of a paracetamol tablet, just a clean toilet, close your door. Then we'll go to the next stage. Put a container, it'll save you emptying the drip tray. Yep. This kit, that's just a bag of its own spare. In case our lads turn up with no spare. So, last one now. Start the mixing bowls. Last one now exits. And it will ask you to empty the grounds bin, even though it's empty. And I'll empty it, leave it out a few seconds. Till the message changes, then replace the ground bin. That's it.